kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, low-carb, keto-friendly appetizer with some sweet peppers, bacon, cream cheese, feta. I know, enough said. So, first things first, I'm going to preheat our oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. The next thing, to save time, you can fry your bacon and do it that way, but for my purposes today, I want to speed things up. I'm going to take some paper towel and I'm going to take some bacon that I have here, and I'm just going to lay it out on flat on the paper towel, and I'm going to pop it in my microwave, and it speeds up time, and it's another healthy alternative because the paper towel on the plate will also absorb the rendered fat from cooking. So in this case here, I'm using about five or six slices of bacon. So rule of thumb, it's 1 minute per slice approximately, plus another minute. So I'm going to do this for about 6 minutes or so, and just let that do its thing there. If you're really fussy about doing something in the microwave, you can do this the traditional way with just, sauteing and rendering it down. That is totally fine as well. Now, on to the important part, which is the filling of my stuffed peppers. And look at these beauts. These, by the way, are from my garden. They are absolutely delicious. Now, for our filling here, what I'm going to do is very simply, I'm going to start off with my mini-me food processor. So, first things first, I'm going to take 100 grams of cream cheese, and I'm just going to put it in. I'm going to take about 80 grams of feta, and I'm going to put it in as well. So just put it down there, and just let it kind of work itself, and get all kind of creamy and combined. Perfect. Just like that. The next thing, I've got a small onion. I'm just going to throw that in there as well, along with a teaspoon of oregano. Just a little bit of salt will go in there, and a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Also, before I actually start pulsing this up, I am going to add a little bit of my fresh Greek extra virgin olive oil, and this will act as the lubricant, or what's going to kind of help liquefy this and adjust its consistency. Now, the last thing before the bacon that's going to go in this is 1 egg, and I'm just going to add that in, and it's going to be our binder for when we roast these off. All right, my bacon is just done, and it is ready to go. I'm just going to put this down here without actually like incinerating your fingers, because the bacon is still like really hot. So I'm just going to take a little bacon, move it in here, and my God, my kitchen. So think about this filling now. Feta, cream cheese, bacon, onion, and this is all going to like bake inside the peppers as well while they're roasting off. Clear the runway, baby. If you don't have a piping bag and you don't want to kind of go and bullshit around and go buy one for, odds and ends here and there, use what I use, and it's just a freezer bag. And I'll show you where I'm going to go with this. So let me just remove that and clean that off here. All nice. You don't want to lose any of this goodness. Definitely not. Now, what I'm going to do here is just open this up and open it up this way, so that way you have the maximum opening for this. And take this and very slowly start pouring in your filling into the bag. And what's going to wind up happening is the piping bag now automatically will weigh itself down, and you can start filling it and working on our peppers. Now, here is my filling. It's all ready to go. What I'm going to do is get it all down into one corner here, But actually, before I do that, I'm just gonna grab the scissors, and you're gonna cut like a small hole. Nothing too big, perfect, just like that. And what you're gonna do is, I'm actually gonna bring my peppers back here, the start of our show, and very, very, very slowly, without making too much of a mess like I do, you're gonna take it, you're gonna fill them up just like that, and down. Fill, and down. And you're gonna keep going with this until they are all filled and ready to go. Now, with these, let me just add a little bit something here. I'm just gonna drizzle them real quick with a little bit of my Greek extra virgin olive oil on the tops. And this, my friends, are ready to go. You're gonna pop these in 375 for about 25, 35, maybe 40 minutes, depending on your oven. The name of the game here is to get them brown and blistered on the top, and they're gonna be ready to enjoy. All right, these are literally right out of the oven. My kitchen in here smells like, oh my God. You get that smell of the feta, the tanginess of the cream cheese, the smokiness of the bacon. It all looks unbelievable. No time like the present. You know, so I don't even know what the hell I needed like a plate for. I'm just gonna try. See, I'll try this one here. Why not? So here, look at this. And caramelization. That's not really burnt. That's caramelization. So good. There's a bite right there. Yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So on the hot side though. Wow. Absolutely divine, my friends. This is so freaking good. I thank you so much for your time and watching this. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share this with others, and let's get our message out there and give them the gift of easy gourmet. Check me out online at www.kensgreektable.com, and even just say hi. I love hearing from you. And until next time, see you on the next one. Bye for now.